How to deactivate Instagram account. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you'll land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner, you'll find 3 bars. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Head towards this section of account center. Open it. Now click on this option, personal details. Click on the option account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Click on your Instagram username. Now select the option deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now click on continue. Now you have to type in your password over here. Once you type in, click on continue. Now here you have to select a reason why do you want to deactivate your Instagram account. Once you select it, click on continue. Click on deactivate account and with that your account will be deactivated. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.